Hello, I am from Learning Without Limitations. In this, we will going to code for searching in different ways, like by name and ID. Let's get started. Open VBS first, go to coding screen and insert a module. We code here for copying data in new sheet. But first, copy headers in sheet 2 in row 1 and 3. This is because row 2 will be used to filter data and row 4 to onwards will be used to copy previous data. Now code here. This is dangerous. Ooh, Opus, we got an error. Check in Excel sheet, all data copied. Wow, let's enter a manual entry and run filter data macro. Yoo-hoo, it's working. Now drag list box and 2 text fields. Do write code for loading all data fields on startup in initialize data. And copy in list box. What is data 1 here? Let's find out. Excel sheet, click on Formula and Name Manager. Write code for Data 1. Data 1 are the fields from Sheet 2 that are copied from Sheet 1. Oops, only one column is here. Let's do some changes in list box properties. Good. Now copy half code from here and paste in text box 5. Give range A2. It should be written before calling filter data function. End if. Now run the program. Whoa, it's working. Now do same coding for text box 6 and change range B2. Again, run the program. You can now search by name, ID, and filter data. Let's create a button now to open the form. And write macro font button. Assign macro. Now you can easily run the program from Excel. Thank you for watching. Tune in for more. Bye. Take care.